Seed oils cause cancer. There's no research saying they cause cancer. I was able to find multiple studies in under 5 seconds, and these are the studies. If you don't see what's wrong with that, let me explain. The unfortunate thing about the general population trying to improve their health and find information so that they can make more informed decisions is that finding the right source is so hard. When you're trying to find an answer to a question, the easiest thing to find and understand are news articles because they take complex things and put them in language that anyone can understand. The issue, however, with news articles is that anyone can write one. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to understand the research process. You don't have to understand the scientific method. You don't have to understand the methods that they used in those studies to get the conclusions that they did. And you don't have to understand that a researcher's conclusions do not always line up with the actual results that they got. And you don't have to understand all of the nuance that surrounds the topic that you're trying to talk about. And this makes it extremely hard for people who are genuinely looking for answers to get the right ones. The average person does not know how to read a research paper, but they do know how to read the news. So if you can't trust that, then what? Well, of course, try and learn how to read research, but more importantly, if someone is trying to talk to you about a certain topic and they are saying they're an expert, but they're citing news articles, you shouldn't listen to them. If someone can't explain to you how a certain study was done, why it's relevant, what their methods were, and why that was the best use of those methods, then they probably don't understand what they're talking about. It's hard trying to get information from social media or from anywhere because you're always relying on someone else's interpretation of the data. So what can you do? Well, try and stay as close to that data as you can be. And that means listening to people who actually can interpret it and explain it to you.